Ever wondered how top students manage to stay focused, study efficiently, and still have time for themselves? It's not luck, it's planning their day the right way. Most students just wake up, scroll social media, rush through tasks, and end up exhausted. This destroys focus and motivation. The solution is simple. Plan your day in advance, divide tasks, and follow a clear schedule. Wake up early. Start with water, light stretching, and your hardest task first. This sets your brain in productive mode. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours to the toughest subject. No phone, no distractions. Use a timer if needed. Take a 5 to 10 minute break. Stand up, stretch, or drink water. Attend classes or lectures with full attention. Write short, clear notes instead of copying everything. Eat light and healthy lunch. After lunch, rest 10 to 15 minutes. No phone scrolling. Use the afternoon to revise easier subjects or finish pending tasks. Follow the Pomodoro technique. 40 to 50 minutes study, 5 to 10 minutes break. Spend 30 to 60 minutes daily learning a skill. Communication, typing, coding, 1 skill per day. Go outside. Take a walk or do light exercise. Fresh air clears your mind for the evening session. In the night, focus on revision or easy subjects. Avoid heavy topics or distractions. Before sleeping, write 3 tasks for tomorrow. Reflect on what you learned today. Sleep early. Consistent sleep improves focus, energy, and memory. Consistency beats intensity. Plan well, follow this schedule, and you'll notice better focus, energy, and results. Grow slowly, grow daily, grow with time.